Hello everybody and welcome to another driving video. Today we are in Takao in Kyoto Prefecture and we are on the Arashiyama Takao Parkway. This is mid-November on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. And this place is really famous for the autumn leaves, and I think you can see it right now. So we're going to enjoy this nice drive along the parkway. We should have some really beautiful views of the autumn leaves here in Takao. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. So along the parkway, they have several spots where you can park. There you got several spots where you can park, get out, walk around, and see the views. We are pretty high up in the mountains, and so the autumn leaves here change sooner than they do down in central Kyoto. So they've got different activities here. There's a park. A dog run, yeah. So they got different parks and observation decks. And this place is famous. There are 3 temples here. And they are World Heritage Sites. There's a Kozanji Temple, Jingoji Temple, and Saimyoji Temple. And again, these are really famous at this time of the year to see the autumn leaves. Kozanji is actually famous. It has what is considered to be the first manga ever in Japanese history, dating back to the year 774. It's a scroll showing some animals, and it's kind of like in a court back in the Heian period. And also, Kozanji Temple is supposed to be the original site of tea cultivation. So the first tea plantation is said to be at Kozanji Temple. So there's an observation deck. Yeah, so we're just going to enjoy the drive. I think we'll be stopping here in a few minutes to have lunch somewhere. We'll continue the video after that. This parkway is also really nice, of course, for the sunset. And then after dark, there are some good observation decks where you can see down into central Kyoto with the city lights at night. Yeah, they got some activities for kids here. If you just have a regular car, it costs 1,200 yen to drive this parkway, or about $12. I think you can get a discount if you have JAF membership. One of the views of Kyoto. We can see some people looking here. It looks like they have a map. You can locate what you're seeing. And those people back there, they looks like they had rented a taxi for the day. And you can do that. In Kyoto, you can get a taxi and I guess just pay for a one-day fee. And they can take you around everywhere you want to go, when you want to go. It's a lot easier than having to take buses. You have to change and figure out which bus number goes where. It can take a lot of time, and if you get lost, you really waste a lot of time. This is a very popular spot here. Really amazing views. So I think we're going to stop here. We'll continue the video later. See ya. Okay, so we're going to continue the drive all the way to the end of the parkway. And it's not so far away. Okay, so I think we are getting close to the end of the parkway, so we're going to end the video here. So I'm going to make another video of actually the places where we stop and check out the beautiful viewpoints. So if you're interested, please check out that video. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video today. Hope you liked it. Please click like down below if you did, and leave any comments that you have down below, and definitely click subscribe. I'm making a lot of videos of nature and anything interesting here in Japan. So anyway, hope to see you in another video. See ya.